Handheld wireless controller. Compact, waterproof and floats. Compatible with non-Bluetooth iPilot systems that have been manufactured in 2016 or earlier. Works with PowerDrive and PowerDrive V2. Easy access battery compartment. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Works just like it's supposed to work. Just press the Learn button on the head of the motor unit and press a button on the remote, and within a couple of seconds there's a beautiful confirmation beep. That's it. My other remote stopped working, but it's more of a contact issue with the battery and the battery cover. Not a very good design. It's either go this way or use a foot control. Mainly use the anchor lock, which is absolutely great.